Hello, welcome to my conservatory. Today I'm going to be teaching you all about the correct etiquette of having video communication. I'll take you through a series of tips and hints to help you get the best from your video meetings. Firstly, always check your lighting and ensure that your camera is turned on. It's also important to check your chair. Is your chair set too high or too low? Clearly people don't just want to see the top of your head or the bottom of your chin. Check your audio, not just the audio that you're hearing, but also the audio that you're transmitting into the meeting. Right now I'm using my laptop speaker and microphone. Not the best, but adequate. However, always consider a good quality, noise-cancelling wireless headset. Before joining a meeting, check your self-view. Look to see if you need to touch up the makeup, a bit of blusher, a bit of lippy. And always remember, dress appropriately for that business meeting. Don't wear t-shirts or jumpers. Concentrate as if you were in a face-to-face meeting. Don't be tempted to reach over for your mobile phone and start checking your social media when you should be concentrating on a meeting such as this. When you start a virtual meeting, you may be on that meeting for some time, so keeping beverages handy is also useful, but consider the choice of drink when you start a meeting. And finally, don't forget to mute your microphone and potentially even block your camera temporarily if you do need to have a conversation with somebody else that's in the room so that you're not disturbing others. Remember to do this in all cases. What? What do you mean it's my turn to brew up? Ah!